Here's a taste of legendary Korean food. Raw mackerel.
고등어회,
Savory flavor. Korea's fish and chips cod fillets pan fried with potato slices. Ramen porridge.
라면죽,
BTS Jungkook's favorite. Abalone bake sook.
전복 백숙,
Tender chicken meets chewy abalone. Roasted sweet potato.
군고구마,
Crispy outside, soft inside, and sweeter than steamed. Abalone tangsuyuk.
전복 탕수육,
Sweet and savory tangsuyuk sauce. Chewy texture of abalone. Abalone bulgogi.
전복 불고기,
Sweet, savory, and spicy bulgogi marinade with chewy abalone. Seasoned abalone.
전복 무침,
Spicy, sweet, and tangy dressing. Black pork sundae.
흑돼지 순대,
Juicy and nutty flavor. Spicy braised chicken.
닭볶음탕,
Spicy and sweet flavor. Grilled black pork bulgogi.
흑돼지 석쇠 불고기,
Rich juice and aroma of black pork. Water dakgalbi.
물 닭갈비,
Spicy and hot broth. Pork belly.
삼겹살,
Savory and tender flavor.